While all eyes are currently on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, anticipation is building for the Galaxy S25 Ultra following the next Galaxy Unpacked event. Samsung is expected to introduce significant changes with the Galaxy S25 series. Rumors about the Galaxy S25 lineup have already surfaced, and now the Ultra model has appeared in an IMEI database as reported by Android Headlines. According to the database, the Galaxy S25 Ultra carries the model number SM-S931x. The U signifies the model sold by carriers in the USA, while the international variant is likely to end with the letter B. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are expected to have model numbers SM-S931x and SM-S936x respectively. The X will be replaced by a U for carrier-locked US variants, U1 for unlocked US variants, B for international variants, N for Korea, and other letters for different regions. Samsung's latest flagship models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra, come equipped with UFS 4.0 flash storage. This provides fast and responsive performance, enabling seamless multitasking and high-resolution, high-frame-rate recording. However, the increasing use of on-device AI features is expected to push the performance limits of current flash memory. To address this, Samsung is anticipated to upgrade to UFS 4.1 storage in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Surveyor Galaxy on X has indicated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include UFS 4.1 storage, though it remains unclear if this technology will extend to the more budget-friendly variants in the Galaxy S25 series. Unfortunately, the specific speed improvements of UFS 4.1 over UFS 4.0 have not been disclosed. This selective upgrade strategy is likely a cost-saving measure by Samsung, and it's possible the company will continue this practice with the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. As on-device AI features become more prevalent, increased RAM and faster storage will be crucial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.